Good morning. Here are the latest political and sports updates from India for 15th April 2025. Political headlines. India and China discuss resumption of direct flights. India and China have initiated talks to resume direct passenger flights, which was suspended following the 2020 border clash. While discussions have commenced, no specific timeline has been established for the resumption of service. This development follows a January agreement aimed at addressing economic and trade differences between the two nations. Fugitive jeweler Mehul Choksi arrested in Belgium. Mehul Choksi, an Indian jeweler accused of a $1.8 billion bank fraud involving Punjab National Bank, has been arrested in Antwerp, Belgium. His arrest follows an extradition request by Indian authorities. Choksi, along with his nephew Nirav Modi, allegedly used fake financial documents to secure loans for importing jewel. Both men fled India in 2018 and deny the allegation. Murshidabad sees calm after Waqf law protests. The Murshidabad district in West Bengal has experienced relative calm over the past 36 hours following violent protests against the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. The unrest, which began in early April, led to casualties, property damage, and disruption of public service. Authorities have arrested over 200 individuals and deployed central paramilitary forces to restore order. Sports news. Karun Nair shines in IPL comeback. Karun Nair made a remarkable return to the Indian Premier League (IPL) after nearly 3 years, scoring an impressive 89 runs for Delhi against Mumbai. Despite his efforts, Delhi suffered their first loss of the season. Nair's performance has reignited hopes for a revival in his cricketing career. India aims for top 5 global sports ranking by 2047. Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia has outlined India's ambition to be among the top 5 sporting nations globally by 2047, coinciding with the country's centenary of independence. The plan includes hosting the 2036 Olympics and enhancing grassroots sports development through initiatives like Khelo India and the Target Olympic Podium Scheme, TOP. Khelo India Para Games 2025 underway. The second edition of the Khelo India Para Games has commenced in New Delhi, featuring over 1,300 para-athletes competing across 6 disciplines. The event serves as a platform for emerging talents and includes several medalists from the 2024 Paris Paralympics. Indian Open 2025 showcases pickleball's growth. The Indian Open 2025, organized by Global Sports, is set to highlight the rising popularity of pickleball in India. The tournament aims to provide sustainable career opportunities for players and has attracted international stars, including Sania Mirza and Rohan Bopanna, to promote the sport's growth. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.